Moses, by faith, Moses, when he had grown up, refused to be known as the son of Pharaoh's daughter. He chose to be mistreated along with the people of God rather than to enjoy the pleasures of sin for a short time. He regarded this grace for the sake of Christ as of greater value than the treasure of Egypt, because he was looking ahead to his reward. May God bless the reading. This is Gladys. Gladys, Mwebi, Gladys, Janet. Say hi to the church.
Hi, church.
Yeah, we have come to that at the time of our service. Those who visitors who came in late, we say welcome too. We invite you next Sabbath. Next Sabbath is community Sabbath, so welcome, come. Invite your friends so that we can worship the Lord together. There is one word I would like us to go with today from this service. Just one word. Choices. 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 When God created man, He created humans with the right to choose. So you are created with a mind to choose. And your choosing depends on the prior knowledge you have of more than one thing. You don't make a choice if you have only one thing. You make a choice when you have more than one thing. So when man was created, he was given a choice to choose life or death. Life or death. And this is what God said. When He created Adam and Eve, according to the story of Genesis, Genesis 16 and 2 verse 16, 17. So we find God making a statement about choosing. God said, I've given you everything to eat. But there is one thing, one tree from which you cannot eat its fruits. So, but the choice is yours. I'm not forcing you. I'm not going to protect that tree. I'm not going to remove it away from you. I just leave it at your exposure. And so, but this is what will happen. So you choose to eat from that tree. You cut short of the life you have now. You don't choose to eat. If you choose not to eat, then you will continue with the life I have given you. So it's a matter of life and death. So don't eat, live forever, or eat, and you end your life. So the choice is yours. Now there is one who had chosen to rebel against God because his wishes were not fulfilled. He was self-centered. And so when God said no, in this government there is no force. In my home there is no force. You choose to abide with the rules in the family, or you choose to disobey, but you cannot stay in the family if you disobey. And this is what children, your parents tell you. So God says, don't mean your parents says, this is my home. Hey, listen, kids. Children, listen. God say, your parents say, it is my home, so you have to follow, obey the rules in this family. Follow the rules. And those who follow rules, they stay peace-free with their parents. But those who don't, well, they go out there and they suffer. And so God says, okay, now you have to choose. The devil came. He says, well, okay. What God says is not true. That's according to Genesis chapter 3. If you read from verse 1 to 6, that's what he says, that we see the conversation between the Lucifer, the devil, Satan, and the woman Eve. And so the devil also came with a choice. Says, okay, you eat, you will be wiser than you are now. God deceived you. So you eat, you become wiser. The things you don't know. And so if chose to listen to the voice of the devil rather than the voice of God. So she chose to eat. She took to the husband, and the husband chose to eat. And you know most of this Bible story, you know what happened after they had eaten. They started running from each other because they discovered things they had not known. They discovered they were naked. They were running away from each other, hiding themselves. What can you imagine that family? Each one running away from the other. Do you call that good family? That's what Satan is doing to many families. So he comes in, he deceives one of the family members. Thinking that disobeying or doing what the suggestion is saying will be better than what you are. And what you have. So people try. Let me try if it can work. So discovering something which they think is not good, meaning it's good for them, but they don't have it. And so they chose. And as many of us choose, and the things don't work so well. So choices Igo ogochora kwao.
Choices, choices.
Ogochora.
Choices.
Ogochora.
If we are asked, why did you come to church this morning?
Inseko kobori ngiwachere kanisa bono mambi.
What reason do you have to yourself?
Sababu kiorarwe.
Why did you come?
Ngiwachera.
Why did you go elsewhere?
Ngiotachera ndonzi.
What made you to choose to come to worship?
Ngigiago kora kwachora gochago sasima.
Maybe some came because child dedication.
Kero kenda abana abacha senjo mwana ale gosaberu.
Next week there's no child dedication.
Of course there's some. Kero kende na botora Antonio mwana gosaberu.
So what made you to come to church this morning? What did you compare with? Why didn't you go somewhere else? And now you are here in church. You made a choice. And this choice, it must have been taken because of the knowledge of something you have, you know. And that's what we want to end, to see that we make choices depends on what we want. And so choices. Choices. When God brought the children of Israel from slavery, He asked them to choose. To obey Him or disobey Him. Obeying God is life. Disobeying God is death. That's when Moses stood up in Deuteronomy chapter 30 verse 15. If you read it, you will find. Maybe let us read it. Because choices. Choices continue. So Genesis, Deuteronomy 30th. Let's say verse 15. You will find what it says here. It is about choosing life or death. So it reads, see, I set before you today life and prosperity, death and destruction. So it says, I put before you life and death. Now, verse 19, this day I call heaven and earth as witnesses. To witness against you that I have set before you life and death. So two things. Life or what? Life or death. Says, I've said before you. And I'm calling heaven to witness. In other words, I have told the truth. I told the truth about God. What God wants you. So it is up to you to choose now. It is up to you to choose life or death. So, but he says, because God loves you, he says now choose life. I would like you to choose life. Life. And so this choosing of life, it continued. Even in the time of Moses was saying bye to the children of Israel, it came to a point where he says, now I have set before you life or death. To choose to serve God or not to serve God. Just choose to serve God or not to serve Him. So the choice is yours. You choose.
There's no force in the government of God. That's why when we make appeals for baptism, we say, okay, can you come for baptism? Can you come back to your former faith? Just choose to come. Choose to come. Some people, it takes long to make that choice. So in the book of Joshua, the leader says, Joshua 24, verse 14 and 15, he says that, but for me, verse 15, but for me and my house. That's Joshua saying. But for me and my house, we will choose to serve the Lord. In other words, we have chosen to stay with God, and we will obey God. We will follow God's instruction, because we know that God is the origin of life, the source of life. And this is the life people want to live. You know, life is very precious. It's very precious. If someone tells you you are going to die, I don't know how you will respond. We went to visit a family some years back. This man, he was a white man. It was known to him that he was going to die. Because of cancer, it's gone everywhere. So there was no way. He was only waiting for his day. So as we were talking to him, I remember one statement he made. It is so painful to say bye to my friends. It is so painful. Just as I see you, that I will not be seeing you any longer. It is so painful. And back in Kenya, when I went to face one family, there was one man who was lying outside, covered by a blanket. It was known that he was going to die. It was known he was going to die. He was not going to live anymore. So we said, we have come to pray for you. Okay, we want to pray for you. And I tried to uncover his head. I tried. He took the hand. He covered himself. I don't want. Why? Why did he behave like that? Because he knew his life was coming to an end. He had nothing to do with people living. Because he's gone, there's nothing you can tell him. So my friend's life is very dear to us. That's why when God speaks, he knows that unless you choose him, you are going to die. And God did not create people to die. That's why the servant of God is saying, I said before you today to choose God, which means life. I advise you, I counsel you, just choose life, choose God, choose to obey God, choose to listen to God, not to other human beings. Choose to obey God. Know what God wants you to know. But God says, thy choice is yours. Thy choice is yours. Even when Jesus came, he came, so, he came so that people can get life. So there was one man, one person who came to him, and it's known that he was rich. As he came to Jesus, he was, as I can say, he was a church member. He knew the commandments, but in himself he felt something missing. Something missing. And so he went to Jesus. And he asked Jesus, Jesus, what can I do to have life? It seems as if the life I have is not satisfying. What can I do to have life? Jesus, what can I do? And Jesus told him, okay, you know the commandments. And he gave you some examples. Do not murder. Do not commit adultery. Do not steal. Do not give false witness. Honor your parents. Love your neighbor as you love yourself. You know the commandments. But you know, Jesus was testing him. He found out he was claiming that he loved his neighbor, but in reality he never loved the neighbor. He says do not commit adultery, yet he was thinking of committing adultery. Even he was doing it even in secret. So, but Jesus says, okay, remember, you don't love your neighbor, you kill, you commit adultery. That's what the language Jesus was using. But he says, okay, yeah, all of these things, I have known them since I was a boy. I know all of these things. And he says, but then Jesus, now, what am I missing then? Then Jesus tested him. He says, go, sell what you have, share with other people, give to the poor. So two things: serving Jesus or serving self. That's a choice. And so when this young man heard Jesus say that, he went away sort of sad. Why is he getting sad? No, he has been given a difficult choice. To give what he has, to follow Jesus, or to cling to what he has and then do not follow Jesus. Jesus not force him. He said, okay, go, sell what you have and come follow me after that. So he went away unhappy. The statement says, he loved the giver, he loved the gift, but he did not love the giver of the gift. He loved the gift, but he did not love the giver of the gift. What's your experience when it comes to serving other people? Even when you are asked to give donations, offerings, tithes, you pray that God bless you to get an opening, an employment, a job somewhere, go to paying job. You pray. But once you get it, it is not enough, God. It is not enough to share. So we love the gift, but we never love the giver of the gift. As Jesus was talking to this young ruler, the disciples who were there listening, they were listening. And Jesus made a statement that it is very hard for the rich person to get life eternal. It is even easier for a big animal to pass through a small opening. A big animal to pass through a small opening. Then the disciples said, Lord, this is difficult and this is... How can we be saved? Will we be saved? Now Jesus tells them, verse 29. He says here, verse 29 of Matthew 19:29. Jesus says, he says, and everyone who has left houses, brother or sister, father or mother, or children, or fields, for my sake, will receive 100 times as much, and will inherit eternal life. So Jesus saying, if you come to him, if you choose to obey him, if you choose to listen to him, he says then he will take care of you. That's what he says, you will get 100-fold, 100 times. In this life. In others, he will take care of you. If you give yourself to God, if you surrender to him, if you say, okay, God, I leave everything to you now. He will open windows of living. He will sustain you. He will protect you. He will take care of you in this life. And when he comes, you will get life everlasting. In this life and the life to come. And this is what Jesus is asking. And Jesus made another statement. What will it profit a person to gain everything and yet loses his life? To enjoy life and lose to enjoy life now, to enjoy what you have, but when he comes, you lose life eternal. What will it profit you? Or what can you give in exchange to your life? If one comes to you and says, okay, now give me your life, I give you this. Is there anything you can give in exchange with your life? One speaker sometimes said, he says that I ask me anything you want in this world. You ask me all the money you want, anything you want, ask me. Okay, you get it, you enjoy it, but I want to give you 1 year of enjoying it, what I give you. At the end of that 1 year, you come, I kill you. So how many will you take that over? No, you want to enjoy. You take the planes, you go everywhere. But for 1 year. You come. Because you have to say what you want in life. So this is what Jesus is saying. What will it profit? What can you give in exchange with your life, my friends? What can you give in exchange to your life? That's the question. Choosing. Choices. Every day.
kera rituko
What's your choice?
ogochora kwa ongoroki
Just enjoying life
okogokera
and
obogima
disobeying God's commands?
na kutamuigwera Nyasaye
Oh,
machikae
let's see how Moses did his choice.
tigango tore na kimusa akore tuko na chakwae
Let's see how Moses did his choice.
musa erenga kia na chete
That's Hebrews, the one we read.
abaibirani elitu asoma
Hebrews 11.
abaibirani 11
Let's see verse 25, what it says.
rangi kebungo kemberonge bere na
You know, Moses was in Egypt,
oimyore musa igarenga ari Misiri
and he was known to be the child of the king.
na nigo amanyire buna omwana bw'omuruoti
The child of the king.
omwana bw'omuruoti
I don't know if you become the child of the president, how you will find, how you will.
maitingo isoko omwana bwe president na gyore iwe
How do you feel when you become a child of the millionaire?
nga kyoko iwe keroko nyororo omwana bw'omutenengo
So Moses was like a child of the millionaire.
igo musa igarenge buna omwana bw'omonto
There
omutenengo
was nothing he was to lack in life.
kento nkeya ari korema ase obogima
Now, but he knew there was God also.
nabo igo namanyete nga Nyasaye nere naro
And so he had to make a choice.
igo agakora okonacha
To choose to stay enjoying life for a short time,
achore kogokera obogima ase ekeregeke
or to go and serve with God's people, but have life forever.
gosaenda achandeke n'abantu ba Nyasaye lakini anyora obogima kare na
So
kare
this is what he did.
bona aya narakorete
Verse 25 of Hebrews 11.
abaibirani 11 kebungo 25
It says, he chose to be mistreated
agachora gochandwa
along with the people of God,
amo n'abantu ba Nyasaye
rather than to enjoy the pleasures of sin for a short time.
kobwa kwegokeria emegoko y'ebibe ase ekeregeke
He chose
agachora
rather to suffer
nga achandike
with God's people
n'abantu ba
rather
Nyasaye
than enjoying life for a short time.
kobwa kogokera obogima ase
He
ekeregeke
chose to suffer with God.
gochandika n'abantu ba
Verse
Nyasaye
26, he regarded this grace for the sake of Christ.
26 goteba nga agancha ogocechelibwa ase eng'encho ya Kristo
As greater value than the treasures of Egypt.
buna koba okwerigo riri inene kobwa chimonga kirari Misiri
He regarded this grace for the sake of Christ as of greater value than the treasures of Egypt.
gochayo ase eng'encho ya Kristo koba okwerigo riri inene kobwa
Why did he choose to do so?
nase kiakoretwo konacho
Because he had two things to compare.
nekiagera abwate ebinto bibere are
Two
korenga
things to compare.
ebinto bibere are korenga
Let's see what he says here.
nkiagoteba gatororanga
He says here,
igagoteba
the end of verse 26,
26
he says that for the sake of Christ as of greater value than the treasures of Egypt.
ribaga ria Kristo buna koba rigo riri inene kobwa chimonga chia Misiri
Because he was looking ahead.
ekiagera nigare kugereri motwe gochia
He
sengeria
was looking forward to his reward.
igare timotwa sengeria
So he could not choose anything
igotare gochora kene
that will hinder him to get the reward coming.
kobwa kerike gochigocha
He chose
agachora
that nothing will prevent me.
nga kene ngeyo kerantange
Nothing.
kende ngeyo
Nothing will prevent me.
kende ngeyo kerantange
Because I've chosen
ekiagera na
to
chori
follow Jesus.
komotunya Yesu
What is your choice, my friends?
ogochora kwa abanjani
What's
nkorokyo
your choice every day?
ogochora kwa kera ritu
Do you choose to obey Jesus every day in your life?
como chora Yesu
What
kera
is your
ritu ka
choice?
sobogima ogochora kwa
Do
ngorokyo
you choose to come to church?
gochora ore goche kanisa
Yes, like in the afternoons, many of us don't come to
una
church.
mobasa bange baito ntoli
Which
kwirana
means you make a comparison of two things.
ekiagera okorenga igoro ebinto bibere
To come in the afternoon back to church, or to go where you think is better than coming back to church.
ngakoira na go sasoka etara giamono
You
kwa
make
kwira
a
na
choice.
gocha
It is a choice. And your
ogochora
choice is free. You are free to choose.
no
But God is saying, choose life. Choose life. Choose life. Some don't choose to get baptism.
abande mbali
Through
gochora ko
the
batiso
waters of baptism.
wetera samachi
Choose
batiso
life.
chora
What is your choice? Do you have things to compare?
no buate
Do you have things to compare?
ebinto mbiro korenga
Moses saw that I have to keep life.
Musa karanga go ikta
My reward is coming. My reward is coming. I cannot miss my reward because of all these things for a short time. Jesus said, now those who come after me, you have to deny yourself, carry that cross and follow me. Deny yourself. In other words, say no to those things which might prevent you from salvation. Salvation is here for you. Jesus calling for you. Make the right choice. Choose today to follow God because Jesus is coming. And there's life with Jesus. Choose life. Choose life. Choose life. Choose life. Choose life.